Hello student, welcome back next computer science class of class 12. First of all, I am wishing all of you Shubho Novabarsho. In previous class, we have discussed relational model and keys of RDBMS. Today, we are going to discuss about referential integrity. A referential integrity is a system of rules that a DBMS uses to ensure that relationship between records in related tables are valid and that user don't accidentally delete or change related data. There are two principles of referential integrity. Those are cascade update related field. If we change the roll number 1 from student table and insert 4 instead of 1, then 1 will be changed from book table. Next one is cascade delete related rows. If we delete this record from student table, this record from book table will be deleted. Next, SQL. SQL stands for Structure Query Language. It is a fourth generation computer language. This language is used to write program in RDBMS. Next, data type. Data types are means to identify the type of data and associated operations for handling it. Some data types of SQL are integer. It can store integer value in the field. Syntax of integer is int. Int. Syntax means rules of writing the code. Then small integer. It can store integer value in between minus 32,768 to 32,767. Next, numeric data type. It can store float type value. Let's take an example. Numeric 10.2 is a 10-digit number that 8 digits before the decimal point and 2 digits after decimal point. Next, date. It can store date as value. Syntax of date is date. Time. It can store time as value. Syntax of time is time. Next, character or char. It can store both alphabets and numeric value. It can store maximum 255 characters. Syntax of char is char of x. X is the size of character. Char is a fixed length string data type. So, any remaining space in the field is filled with blank space. Next, varchar. Its function same as char, but it can hold almost 2000 characters. Syntax of varchar is varchar of x. Here x is 10 and if we store 2 characters, then it will take only 2 bytes. So, difference between char and varchar is char is fixed length data type. The storage size of the char value is equal to the maximum size for this column. Whereas varchar is a variable length data type. The storage size of the varchar value is the actual length of the data entered, not the maximum size for this column. Next, varchar 2. Its function same as char and varchar, but it can store 4000 characters and used only in Oracle. Oracle is the example of DBMS software. Next, comment. Comment is the text that will not execute as program code. There is an example, create table student. Student is the name of table. This text is comment. Next, constants. Constants are the conditions that the table must be satisfied. This can be enforced on the attributes of a relation. They are used to ensure integrity of a relation, hence named as integrity constants. Some constants are not null. The column that is specified as not null must not be empty. Next, unique. The column should not be stored same value. Next, primary key. The column must be unique and not null. But there is a difference between primary key and unique constants. The difference is unique allow null value, whereas primary key does not. Next, foreign key. Foreign key constant does not need to apply in the field because the primary key field of a table is foreign key in another related table. Next constant is check key. Check key constant limits values that can be inserted into a column of a table. Next, default. A default value can be specified for a column using default clause. Now let's see syntax of creating table. Here the text within angular bracket, that is changeable. So this means table name, data type, column constant. These are changeable. We can write SQL's command in lowercase or uppercase. It is not case sensitive. Here create table is SQL command that is used to make a table structure. Then column constant and table constant are two basic types of constant. These are the column constant, and this is table constant. The difference between column constant and table constant are that column constant apply only to individual columns, whereas table constant apply to groups of one or more columns. Let's take an SQL command. Create table student. Role, name, class, date of birth, marks are the fields of student table. And integer, varchar, date, numeric, these are the data type. Primary key constant has been applied on role field. So primary key constant is column constant. And not null, default, date, check have been applied respectively on name, class and marks field. So these constants are also called column constant. And not null applied on date of birth and marks as group. So not null is table constant, because we know that table constant apply to groups of one or more columns. I hope you have understood this class. Thank you.